Hello. You might have tried to send out video emails in Zendesk, but run into limitations where you're not able to automatically personalize your videos for the person who's watching. So this means if you're always recording one-off videos, it's personalized, but it's going to be very slow. At Sendspark, we do have an awesome integration to record individual personalized videos, but we also have a way to create one video and then automatically add the personalization elements from individual customers that are watching our video, which helps you add personalized touches in a much more scalable way. So that's what we're going to go through in this tutorial. What you can do is start off by recording your video in Sendspark. So you can do that using our Chrome extension or our web app recording, or if you already have a video, then you can just upload it. And then you want to go to the edit page for the video. And this is where you can add the personalization tokens to be able to personalize your video at scale. So for example, you can write in this title area above the video, hi, first name, or you can do like welcome, first name. And then you can add a little more context below your video, like would love to show how we can help, company name, and then add a call to action to, schedule an onboarding call. And you can add a link to your calendar here. To send the video off in Zendesk, what you want to do is just click share video. And actually, there's one more place where you can customize your video here, which is this thumbnail. And this is what people see in their email. And so if you add their first name, it's going to help them feel extra special and see that personalized touch. So you can click on customize here and add another personalized caption. So maybe like welcome, first name. And if you don't have their first name in Zendesk for whatever reason, you can change this fallback to say like welcome to Sendspark or like welcome to your platform. You can save this. And then what you want to do is save this as a macro in Zendesk. So you can click on this Zendesk share option to copy this and paste it in a Zendesk macro. If you don't see Zendesk here for whatever reason, just click edit add and you can customize your share modal. So make sure you have Zendesk selected and unselect any email platforms you're not using. And then you just want to copy this to your clipboard and go to Zendesk and create a new macro. And it's through this macros that we're going to be able to like automatically personalize the videos at scale. So you can click add macro and you can say like personalized video, select the options you want. And then this is going to be a comment description. And then you can just Command V, paste in your thumbnail here. And here you're just going to see the fallback, welcome to Sendspark, but when you actually send it to different people, it's going to bring in their first name. So we will save this as a macro, and I just want to show you how it's going to work. So now you can go into the contact profile or like a conversation where you want to send this out. And just a demo, I'll make a new ticket for Selena, and then you can click apply macro and choose your personalized welcome video. And then here you're going to see that welcome to Selena. And if you're to open this link in a new browser, you'll see that other aspects are filled in for her. So it says, hi, Selena here. Her company actually isn't saved in Zendesk because I made the profile 2 seconds ago, so it's not there. But you can see how the fallback's going to look. And if the company name was here, it would autofill as well. One other thing to note, just while I have you, that is how the personalization works through those macros. But if you do want to record a quick one-off video, then you can also do this very easily in Zendesk using Sendspark. By installing our Chrome extension, you're going to see this icon here for Sendspark, and you can click on this anytime in any ticket or email to be able to record and insert a video right there. Or you can see your library, choose an existing video, or easily add your last recorded video. So this will make it easy to quickly send videos one-to-one, but you really want to make sure that you have both options available. So you can have your pre-recorded videos automatically personalized, and then you can always create new videos on the fly. Let me know if you have any questions, and happy recording.